Hello, let's talk about text in Illustrator. Thank you for watching these videos. My name is Kamia Simon Peter. Do not forget to subscribe. So when you come to the type tool, we have three sorts of text. First of all, we have the mnemotype tool, we have the area type tool, we have the type on path. Now the rest is just the same, but this time around vertical. All right, so the basic type tool, you'll just have to place the cursor, okay, and then you get what they call the lorem ipsum text. So you can see I'm pressing shift as I scale the text. Now this is with the basic. You have to click, place the cursor, and then you start typing. Okay, I need to know the size. Okay, then you start typing. When you feel what you've typed is enough, you press enter and then you type again. When you feel what you've typed is enough, you press enter and then you type again. So that is with the basic type tool. Then if you use if you go to the area type tool, you need to have something. That's why it's warning me that you must click. But before I go to the area type tool, let's say the other behavior of the type tool. It can also do the same as the area, as in for the box format. So I just need to drag a box, okay? Then you can see it has produced lorem ipsum, but still I don't need to press enter. I just need to type within the box, okay? Then for it, it will detect that the line has ended, okay? And then it goes to the next line, just like that. So that's with the type 2, but in the area format. Now, look at this. This can juggle with the size, okay? You can see the text is adjusting. While with this, I'm adjusting the text itself. You can see the text itself is adjusting, but this one, it can juggle with the size of the area that you are putting it into. We're going to come back to this in more detail, but let's see what of the area type tool. So when you click on it, you must have a non-compound or non-mask path to create a text inside. So this area type tool helps us create text inside objects. So I'll create two objects. I'll create a rectangle. I'll also create an ellipse. Okay, then I get the tool and I click on the rectangle like this. I don't click the moment it detects that I'm within. Okay, it will show the symbol, okay, like you can see, but it is warning me when I click inside that I must create a path. So I'm supposed to click on a path. So I come to the path and then I click. You can see the text has gone inside. I come to the ellipse, I click on the path. You can see the text has gone inside. Okay, and when you adjust the shape, still the text adjusts, and you can see we have a warning there. We shall see how to eliminate the warning, but still you can see when I adjust this, still the text adjusts and we have a warning inside there, which is different from the type on path. Now I'll create, okay, I'm going to go to the artboard tool. I make sure that this artboard is selected and I just go this other side. Okay, I look for new. I'll create another artboard that is the same size as the other one. All right, so I'm going to have another ellipse and another rectangle. And I'm also going to go to the pen tool, okay, and I draw. Now, if you have this kind of X, it means you have your caps lock. So I'll turn off my caps lock, and I just draw a random line. You see, I've just drawn a random line. So I'll press escape to end so that I have my open line. I'll leave the colors there. So if I come to the type on path, okay, you can see that it's cursor. I can't click inside. You see, you must click on it is telling you on a non-mask or non-compound path. So I'll click on the path itself, and you can see we have text around the path. I'll click on this one. You can see we have text around the path. I'll click on this. You can see we have text around the path. So that's what they call the type on path. Now, when you zoom in, we have 3 items for the type on path. We have 3 controllers. We have this middle controller, okay? So you remember, you press Alt and scroll back or forth. So the type on path, it has controls. We have this, and then we have 2 at the end. So if I come and click on this and I move, okay, now my text is already at the end. But let's say I go to the end, it was already filling, and I drag. You can see the text has reduced itself, but there is a plus sign, as we shall see in the next video. And then I drag this to the handle. So you must move the cursor to the handle, not just clicking. You know, you may miss, you may keep clicking for the holder and you're not selecting. You must move the cursor to the handle. So I've moved the beginning and the ending handle. So if I move the text now, you can see it is adjusting with the position of the handle. Okay, so I can choose to balance my text further left or further up. Okay. Now, when we come to this, okay, let me remove the text and I type. This is awesome. Okay, so I have the text. This is awesome, but the handle, the controllers are far. Okay, when I click still on the text, you can see we have the beginning controller and the ending controller. So the controllers are far, and you can see now I'm moving the ending controller so that the text is in the middle. All right, so if I move the text and I move it round, okay, you can see now I want it at the bottom, but it is looking upside down. So I just go to the middle handle and then I drag it up, and you can see the text is now looking the right way. Now I've talked about that. The rest we shall see how to modify the size, but you can see that the rest. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in another video. Don't forget to subscribe.